In a workshop filled with the scent of pine and cedar, Master Alaric spent his days turning rough timber into beautiful things. Beside him worked Pip, a young apprentice with quick hands and a curious spirit. Master Alaric was nearing the end of his long career, yet he worked with more care than anyone Pip had ever known. One morning, as Alaric spent hours sanding the underside of a table where no one would ever see it, Pip set down his mallet. "Master," Pip asked, "you are retiring soon. Why do you still work so hard on every tiny detail? Wouldn't it be easier to take a shortcut just this once?" Master Alaric straightened his back and smiled. "A shortcut may save time today, Pip, but it steals from the future. My work is my legacy. It is the story I leave behind when I am gone. If the story is true in the places you cannot see, it will be strong in the places you can." Alaric picked up a gleaming chisel. "To build something great, you must first care for your tools. These are not just metal and wood, Pip. They represent you. My sharpest blade is like my mind. If I do not keep it focused and keen, my cuts will be ragged and my path will be lost." Alaric then pointed to his heavy wooden mallet, its handle worn smooth by years of use. "This tool is like my body. It provides the strength to move the work forward. If I mistreat it or let it grow weak, the work stops. A craftsman must keep himself as sturdy as his best mallet." Pip picked up a piece of rough oak. He felt the weight of it and the grit of the grain. He thought about how hard it was to make something perfect. "But master," Pip whispered, "what if I am tired? What if the wood is too stubborn and I want to give up?" Alaric placed a hand on Pip's shoulder. "That is when you use your most important tool, your heart. The heart is the love you put into the grain. It gives you the patience to try again when a joint doesn't fit. Without a caring heart, a house is just a box of wood." To show Pip what he meant, Alaric led him to the sharpening stone. A dull tool is a dangerous one, and a dull mind is the same. Integrity means doing the maintenance when no one is watching. Alaric began to slide a blade across the stone with a rhythmic shick, shick, shick. Pip took the stone and the blade. He worked until his arms ached, but he didn't stop until the metal shone like a mirror. Alaric nodded slowly. "You have learned the secret, Pip. You are not just building furniture. You are building yourself." Years later, Master Alaric had long since retired to his garden. But in the workshop, Pip stood at the bench, sanding the underside of a chair. He worked with care and pride, his tools sharp and his heart full, keeping the old carpenter's legacy alive with every stroke.